Look at me. I don't know if you can see me well. Look at me. Oh, this is crazy. Good morning, or is it good afternoon? I think it is afternoon. Yeah, it is how many minutes past 12? 23 or 22 minutes past 12. I want to introduce this vlog because already we have received a notification that it's gonna start snowing heavily tomorrow. We are thinking this is the second phase of the snowfall. Like, we had the first one before Christmas, and now we received, like, before my husband left, we received this notification. You remember, like, when we received the earthquake notification? So my phone was just there, was laying down on the couch, and then I had that notification. I'm telling you, my heart almost skipped a beat. Like, what? So they are notifying us that tomorrow is gonna start snowing. Actually, it's gonna start snowing tonight at is it even today from 5 p.m. But this is 42% chance of snow. The percent is increasing until tomorrow morning. It's gonna be 71%, and it's gonna be -1 degree. Oh Jesus! And then tomorrow at 9, tomorrow will be on Wednesday, it's gonna be 88%. You know, na hii kajua, I will miss it for the next, like, think like two to 3 days or week, because it's gonna snow until maybe next week. But the last phase of the snow. So here I am learning Japanese. Since yesterday I uploaded a video, and already have another video that is already edited and ready to be uploaded. Yesterday I uploaded the cycling video, and you guys really appreciated that. Thank you so much. Because the sun, you remember even the last time that I vlogged before the first snow, the sun decided to shine. Like, I'm gonna give you my best. I preserved the best for last, you know. I came across TikTok of foreign people who are in Japanese, and how they got to learn more of Japanese. And I came about this app called Hello Talk, and I'm telling you, I've been there for like 2 hours. It's like Skype, where you can invite several people. So I went there and I joined this room, and it was really nice. These days I'm loving the way I am allowing myself to explore new things. Like, kitambo, if ungeniambia just go and start talking to strangers. You remember the other time I talked to Shaniqua? You remember, on TikTok? A Hello Talk app is really nice. Whatever the language that you want to learn, you can connect with people who also want to learn your language. Like, you can find there are so many Japanese who want to learn English, so you talk. So hi guys, I want to show you, this is today around 3 p.m. and it's gonna start snowing at 5, but little snow now is starting to fall. I am excited for the snow to come, and we'll be done with it. I'm waiting for March to come for the springtime. Ma is already at home. This is me a few minutes or a few hours before the snow starts falling, but it's cold. Updating, it is 4 degrees right. Good morning.
Hi.
Good morning.
Hi.
How are you doing?
Hi.
And this is a fire truck, and this is a crane. You have so many cars, so many
car. What time?
You want to show them more? Uonyeshe before ukabwe tuende shule.
Bulldozer.
A bulldozer.
Wheels. Round and round. Round and round.
Round and round.
Yeah.
Are we ready to go?
Yes.
No.
Yeah.
No, ni wewe.
No.
We go outside to the snow.
Snow.
You go
Hata
and see?
Maya hata hajajua kume snow.
Hana clue.
Maya hana clue kume snow. Aya. Close it up all the way up.
Oh, I can up.
All the way up. Not yet. Not yet. Yes.
Inamwagika kama nyama na upepo. Kamba zetu zimemwagika na snow. Yeah, it is.
Your mouth only. Okay, good.
Mom.
Mouth cover your mouth only. Okay. Gloves. The bus is here. Let's go, Mama. Oh my goodness. I'm here, Mama. Woo! Oh, Java. Why, mwadhani mtoto aende shule. This is us in the morning. Look at me. I don't know if you can see me well. Look at me. Oh. This is crazy. This is crazy. Haya, mtoto anaenda shule. Whoa. Ooh. Woo, my goodness. Oh my goodness. And the bus is like 20 minutes late. Sijui kama mnaniona. Do you see me? Can you see me? Because I can't see where I am going. Where is Daddy and Kamaya? There you are.
Hizi vitu zinakuingia kwa macho Maya.
Basi. I think ndio ile. Oh,
Utatembea.
bado. Hey, hiyo nguo yake atapata maji bebe. Sio ataingia kwa maji. Ngeni hapa kidogo. This is crazy.
Ya kwanza iko.
Madness.
Ya kwanza iko kwa hivi.
Hapana. Madness. 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 Hii ni madness. This is madness. Oh Jesus.
Pia sideways inakuwa.
Ni mbaya.
Afu inaenda na kama ina swirl. Like how you ina change direction.
Yeah. So cold. Snowing.
Snowing it.
Wow.
That is,
Ya mabati hii ni plate flat imekuwa ikimwagika.
hii ni madness. Madness.
Sasa we ndio ujue uonekane vizuri. Sasa mimi niende nijihami nitoke. So hauna nini? You wanted snow? There you have. Leo imemwagika mingi sana. Oh, uliteremkia hapa kwani? Kwa stairs? Oh. Stairs ni tricky. Itashinda hivi.
So sisi tumerudi kwa nyumba ya back in the house, and that is the crazy snowfall. And baby still goes to school. Maya amechukuliwa like leo amechelewa kituka 10 minutes. It's been like 10 minutes past the time. The bus always comes when it is not snowing, but we were given heads up like last month, yeah, in December, before they went for winter holiday. And yeah, I want to ask my husband a question, and I'm waiting for him atulie tusikie maoni chake. Yeah, swali ni what do you think about extreme season temperatures?
Okay, they are good. They are once in a lifetime thing, so they are good.
Unapenda?
They teach you to appreciate the moderate temperatures, the good times, the normal times.
Oh, ni hivyo tu ngwanda kuuliza.
Because when the summer is coming now, she will be crying.
Serious?
Yes, utalia summer.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Ikifika May mwisho, endo play clip kumbuke hizi words. You will cry.
I will cry. Oh, okay.
Kutakuwa ngumu kulala.
But you have an AC.
Okay, we have an AC. Please remember those words.
So, guys, I was here yesterday, and yeah, look at that. It's not that cold, but I have layered up. Wow, look at everything. It looks so nice. Look at the snow. That's how it's looking down there. Wow. It is snowy everywhere. Oh my god. The trees are covered up. This field over here, this one, we always see trees and they are all down. They are fallen down. Most of them, they are down. But look at that. It looks so good. Actually, it looks so good. Look at me. So Maya is almost coming home. It is 12 something. It's almost 1. And today being on Wednesday, Maya will come home a bit early. And yeah, I am so energetic. And also I just want to do a lot of things. So many videos, so many TikToks. Because of the snow, it looks so nice. The only thing that I am missing, the right snow pants, because these are woolen. Is it woolen? The material that these trousers are made of, they absorb the coldness from this snow. It's not like the pants that my husband always wear. They are like rain trousers, so like snow just fall. But for me, I don't have that, mainly because of my hips and my bum. They don't have my size. If I was a petite, I would have worn my husband's trouser type. But yeah, look at this. Oh my goodness. I know the time I'll be editing this video, the snow will have melted. I am energetic and I want to do so many videos, so many TikToks and all that. I want to take a photo to compare a photo that I took yesterday. Let me show you. Hope I won't get a cold or catch a cold. Yesterday it was like this. Yeah, like that. Now I want to take a photo of the snow. 24th of January. I will remember this day. Oh my god, it is a once in a lifetime, and I am so grateful that I am able to experience this. A girl who was born in Geshagi, actually I was not born in a hospital. I was born at home, and I got sick for 6 months. I was in the hospital. No one thought I would survive that, but here I am enjoying nature, something no one expected out of this girl. Thank you. I'm grateful.